In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in the Wix editor, whether you're setting up a personal blog, a professional website, or something in between. Knowing how to effectively use links can enhance your site's interactivity and usability. Let's get started. First, make sure you are logged into your Wix account and have the Wix editor open. Navigate to the specific page where you want to add your link. This could be any page or section that you feel would benefit from providing additional resources or connections to other parts of your site or the web. Once you're on the chosen page, decide whether you'll be linking from a text or an image. If you want to use text, simply highlight the text you'd like to convert into a link. If you prefer to use an image, click on it to select it. As you make your selection, you'll notice a formatting toolbar pops up. Look for the link icon. It resembles a chain link, which is an intuitive symbol for connectivity. Give that icon a click. At this point, you need to decide what type of link you want to create. Wix offers several options, so let me walk you through them. If you're looking to direct visitors to an external website, choose the web address option. This is great for sharing resources outside of your site. If you'd prefer to keep users within your site but take them to a different page, select Page. This option is particularly useful for structuring your site's navigation. Sometimes you might want to direct visitors to a specific section within the same page, like a particular paragraph or image. In that case, you'll want to use the anchor link. This is helpful for content-heavy pages where users might appreciate being guided to the exact spot you want them to see. If you'd like to create a direct communication pathway, such as asking visitors to get in touch via email, you can use the email option, which opens up their preferred email client with your predefined email address, subject, or even message. Lastly, if you have a file to share, like a PDF or document, you can use the document link option to let visitors download it directly from your site. Once you've decided on the link type, you'll need to enter the necessary information. For a web address, it'll be the full URL, so make sure you copy and paste it to avoid errors. Take a moment to adjust additional settings, such as opening the link in a new window, which can be useful to keep your site open in the user's browser when redirecting them elsewhere. When you're satisfied with all the settings and have double-checked everything, click Done to apply the link. And there you have it. Adding links to your Wix site is a straightforward process that provides your site with more functionality and interactivity.